GSP Master Teacher in Art, Dr. Mary J. P. Moore. Our GSP School Coordinator, Mrs. Eunice E. Nanyola. Our head teacher, Mrs. Cecilia Balgut. And of course, together with our dear principal, Dr. Carmenia C. Abel. And our public school district supervisor, GSP Division Coordinator, Dr. Rebecca Z. Moleta. And we are privileged to have here with us our school's division superintendent, Dr. Jeneline Rose B.